Pirulitos do espaço.
We have uncovered wonders undreamt by our ancestors who first speculated on the nature of those wandering lights in the night sky. We've crossed the solar system and sent ships to the stars. But we continue to search. We can't help it. Essential element of the human future. If we crave some cosmic purpose, then let us find ourselves a worthy goal.
My favorite image, I've got a couple. So it looks like this sort of ghostly white pearlescence that fills much of the image. And then there are hundreds of these white to yellow galaxies. And what you're seeing is a city. In a galaxy cluster, there are hundreds or thousands of galaxies crammed into that same space. It's the most urban part of the universe, a very busy place.
Jane Rigby is the senior project scientist for the James Webb Space Telescope. Since its launch almost 2 years ago, Webb has gathered a lot of images. This one caught Jane's eye right away. And not just because it's beautiful. It shows a galaxy cluster called Abell 2744. But more importantly, it shows what's going on behind that galaxy cluster.
There are these red things that look stretched like taffy. You take a Laffy Taffy and you pull on it and you get a sort of funky stretched shape. You've got these stretched, funky red things.
The galaxy cluster is billions of light years away, more than halfway across the universe. And those funky red things are galaxies that are even further away, behind the cluster. The cluster acts like a pair of eyeglasses, distorting the light from the more distant galaxies and helping us see them better.
When this one dropped, I will say that my peeps and I, we all got on Zoom and we spent an hour or two just geeking out about this. We're like, oh my God, look over here. And I'm zoom in and let me stretch it for you. Oh, that's so pretty.
Partilha, seguir-nos e dá coraçãozinho nas nossas redes sociais. AstrosNuTube.